This is a story of courage and dreams, a story that inspires a generation. From Meghalaya, from Minerva Academy, for the future! Mekhamkhraw Nongrem from Myrthong, Myrthong from Nongrem. Two young dreamers with fearless hearts, ready to shine on the world's biggest stage. Through hard work, faith and dedication, you turn dreams into reality. Every match, every sacrifice has made your people proud today. Keep believing, never give up. Every challenge makes you strong. Your journey has only just begun. The future is where you belong. Congratulations, Meghalaya's young stars. Congratulations, forever Tartary team. You are the future of in-game football. Keep chasing every dream. We stand with you, we believe in you. We'll support you all the way. Keep it up, keep making history. Your brightest days are on the way. From Meghalaya to the world, your passion shines so bright, winning hearts with every step, fighting every game with pride. Your success inspires every child to dream, to believe, to achieve. The journey continues from here with even greater victories to receive. Raise your heads and lift the trophy high. Let the whole world hear your name. Today you're champions, tomorrow legends, forever remain.